Let's look at lick number 1. Now this is based on double stop bends, which is a technique favored by Kirk Hammett. What happens here is we're bending one note and we're just having another one at the same time ringing. Similar to a unison bend in execution, but it's two different notes that are produced, so notes of different pitch. You can hear those in solos like in Nothing Else Matters, Enter Sandman, and Blackened, to name a few. Let's go and check out our lick. So I'm starting with what? I've got a bend on the 14th fret of the G string, but it's not on its own. It's got this 15th fret of the B string ringing with it. So I'm going to pick both. Can you see that as I'm bending, I'm just picking the two strings like a double stop, but including this bend. Again, so you want to make sure this note is, and this doesn't move at all. So you don't want to accidentally bend that pinky, all right? Now this happens 4 times up and down, so. The 4th time, we've got a return and we're ending on that 12th fret. And how is that going? So I'm actually hearing the release the 4th time around of the bend, okay? Whereas the other ones were sort of quick bend ups. Why don't I put this together with the click? Excellent. So don't forget to put some vibrato at the end. Now the challenge in this lick is to keep both these notes, the bend note and the pick note, at the correct pitch. Because you might find that you feel like the pinky is trying to bend up at the same time. So what you can do is you can start playing the bend by itself. Keep it ringing and then just bring the pinky and play that note. So, and then play them both together. This way your ear knows what it's expecting to hear. And next time you're going to play the double stop bend, it's going to be perfectly in tune. All right, good luck practicing that. It's your turn to work with this, and I'll see you in the next video.